Hello everyone, greetings of the day. And in my today's lecture series, I am continuing my brand wheel marketing insight. And this lecture is about how does an organization create a customer. Yes, that's an important factor because whenever we are doing any kind of business activity, we are totally rely on the customers. Yes, and essentially creating a customer means identifying needs in the marketplace. Obviously you have to understand the marketplace well and finding out which needs the organization can profitably serve and developing and offering to convert potential buyers into the customers. Yes, and the marketing managers are responsible for this most of the activities necessary to create the customers and the organization wants. These activities includes what? So here are the number of activities which can be helpful for the marketing managers if they wants to create a customer for their organization. First is you have to identify the customer needs. That's an important area. That first you have to identify the customer needs. Then you have to design the goods and services that meet those needs effectively and efficiently. That's an important concern also. Then you have to prepare the effective communication information about those goods and services to the prospective buyers. That's another area of concern which we required. Then we have to make the goods and services available at times and places that meet customer needs. Yes, in the previous lecture I talked about this utility principles, that form, time, place and ownership principle. So we have to make the goods and services available at times and places that meet customer needs immediately, right? The customers has not to wait about the product until we are serving the market. Then we have to go for the pricing goods and services to reflect costs also, and that includes the competition and the customers ability to buy. That's important. We have to be concerned with the purchasing power of the customers also. So pricing goods and services to reflect costs, then competition and the customers ability to buy is another concern, that how the organizations can create the customers in the market. After that, that's providing for the necessary service and follow up to ensure customer satisfaction after the purchase is very important. So these are the some of the few steps by which the any marketing manager who is responsible for the marketing activities and creation of the customers for their companies. So they need to work hard on this aspect also. They have to consider the time utility, they have to consider the place and form utility also, and provide the better services to their customers. So for this today's lecture on marketing insight, that how to create a customer, we have to follow these steps, and obviously the success will lead in the business also. Thank you so much for this lecture. Also I'll be coming with the new more marketing insight series under my brand wheel YouTube channel, and follow me on YouTube as Dr. Ranjit Verma for more updates. Thank you so much for loving me. And